Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want instant notifications from submissions, orders, or even site activity, connecting Squarespace to Slack is a smart move. So in today's video, I will show you how to connect Squarespace to Slack in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first and first, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, go all the way and create a Slack workspace. Make sure you already have a Slack workspace set up, obviously. So, for example, we're gonna go look for this Slack workspace. We're gonna hit enter, then we're gonna go all the way. They're gonna give you a small Slack, which is a team home base for collaboration within the Slack platform and every other detail. Find your workplace, then go back to your website, Squarespace, log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go to settings here. Basically, you can use automations or even extensions since Squarespace doesn't connect directly to Slack. So we're gonna go and try the third-party tools, go and see extensions here, and basically add one. For example, let's see if they have Zapier here. Okay, Zapier. Empowering your e-commerce growth, we have this channel. We're gonna take a small look. Manage all your product feeds in one place, ensure production boost your revenue. We have multiple options. We have MailChimp, automate emails, SMS segment customers. We have multiple applications that you can use to boost your website. So basically, after finding the extension that you want, choose it and connect it. You can even use a normal automation, like no need to use a third-party tool actually. For example, if you just want to use automations, it's totally alright. Just go and set it up, make sure you set up a good automation tool, and that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.